So what we got here is a bracket, piece of 3x3 1/4-inch angle iron that was welded to the nose of this, but it was improperly welded because it was welded edge to edge and there wasn't enough material. How we're going to weld it is inside edge to outside edge like this. So this way this is all filled in with weld on both sides. You should do that every time you weld any metal together. A pair of vice grips that I modified, so this way you can get up close and hold something and grind it on the grinder.